What's up, world? It's your boy Pritesh, and we are in the winter wonderland. Oh boy, I think one of them snowflakes got into my throat there. Alright, so plan for today, we are to get some snow. Well, here we go. Here's the snow that we have. It's not as much as I was expecting, but apparently it's going to accumulate to maybe up to 25 centimeters. I am eager to get the snow blower on the 1025R. So I am heading to the temple. That's what I call the shed, the temple, and let's see if we can figure this thing out. So stay tuned and let's get this started. All right, so this is the Agro trend blower that I have. I'm trying to figure out my 3-point hitch connection, and also looking at the PTO shaft. I haven't connected a PTO shaft to the Deere before, so let's figure that out. You see the safety chain, and I see this. Let's get the chainsaw off of here. Alright, so we probably need to line this guy up so I could back in and try to line it up and see what happens. Is there anything else that I might be missing? Is what I'm thinking in the back of my mind. Can't think of anything else. So 3-point hitch. 3-point hitch right there. Need to get these guys off. I call them the quarter pins. So we'll get that off. Let's try to level this up first. That looks good. Let's get the Deere started and see how far we get. It's your boy Pritesh. This is your brown boy getting ready for some snow. Now the funny thing is, the clothes that I'm wearing are essentially what I bought when I was working out in New York. I used to commute quite a bit there. I used to live in New Jersey and go back and forth to New York. So here we are. The Deere has been suited with the Agro trend blower, and we shall get moving on this. Now my kids are going to be here in about 15-20 minutes, so let's see how I can get a video going while I need to while I have to pick up the kids. Now with the rear door open, a lot of snow is falling in here, so I need to close that. Don't want to get too much snow in here. I got 2 pieces of head protection or ear protection for my kids. So that has been covered. And I was looking for my selfie stick and I can't seem to find it. So it might be something that I have to freehand, otherwise have my kids help me with making a video out of this. So guys, stay tuned. I'm excited. New chapter begins. Here is the snow guy. What's up, world? It's your boy Pritesh. Whew. It's minus 15 Celsius, not Fahrenheit, Celsius. It is snowing. It's supposed to have had about 25 centimeters. That's still quite a bit. I'm gonna take a stroll with the Agro blower that I have. So it's a rear mount blower, and I might have to kind of figure out how I can prevent the blower from swing side to side, because my cut has not been straight. We are walking backwards, and that is the path that I made. However, it's very bumpy. It is minus 25. Well, it feels like minus 25, 15. Minus 15 with wind chill, I'm thinking minus 25. I can't really get to show you. Well, there you can see that it's not a straight line. So that is something that I have to figure out. But I think all in all, definitely cleared the snow here. And I'm getting the hang of this thing. We shall take a quick stroll here. I think the snow is supposed to let go, I think around midnight. Obviously do not want to get the tractor out midnight, so this is what I've done so far. Here's another path. Again, you can see it's been swaying quite a bit. I think partially it's because I do not know what path I have here, because there's nothing to kind of frame it for me. But I think it's definitely good so far. Does the job that I'm expecting it to do for me. In that the job is to clear the snow, so at least my none of my, I guess, sedans can get stuck. So this definitely is doing the job. Can't complain, but it is cold. And we shall walk back towards the shed, or the temple as I call it. My hand is freezing, but can't complain. I'm dressed for the occasion. Let's see, how many layers do I have to cover my upper body? Got my undershirt, and then I got a hoodie, and then I have a jacket that is dual layers. So we got 4 layers of clothes on top of me right now for my upper body. Lower body, I got a thick pair of jeans and some Adidas polyester pants, which obviously isn't a good choice to wear polyester when it's cold. And that's all I have. I guess since I'm not getting wet, it's a good thing. But my hands are getting cold. So let's put you guys right here. Close the shed. Whew. My hand's freezing up, so let's put it back in here. I love these gloves. They're the OP gloves. I love my hat. Especially covered in snow. Otherwise you'll be miserable. As they say, you get what you pay for. So I paid for this stuff a while ago, and it's working well for me. Alright, so coming to why do I have zigzag lines? That's because we have a sway here, look. I need to understand how I can make these how I can tighten that up. So we'll probably get to doing some research as in how I can make that happen. But this is how the Deere is looking. The Deere's got some snow on it. Right there. It is a small tractor. It's a small tractor that can. I'm a small guy. Well, I'm going to call myself medium. I do wear large clothes though. But gets the job done. That's the main thing. Gets the job done. All right, so I think we are done here. Get my gloves back on. Woo, my hand is freezing. Now I do have to clear the front area here where the cars are parked. I'll take you there. Ooh, scary stuff. Scary stuff. Because I can't see a thing. But I'm not scared. Alright. I didn't get the tractor here. But is it covered? And there isn't much snow. Well, there is actually quite a bit of snow. Well, not that much. Not that you guys can see. I'm gonna head back home, spend some time with the kids, the family. It's minus 15 as I was saying, with windshield feels like minus 25. Life is good when you are dressed for the occasion. So our winter adventures now begin officially. Let's see what kind of trouble I get myself into. The fireplace has been going. Feels nice and warm inside. Cannot complain. Life is good. This is how you gotta dress up. Now, one thing that I've done is I put a hat and then this layer on top, just because maybe I have a small head, but this would sometimes cover my eyes, and that is definitely no good. So guys, if you enjoy this, hit the subscribe button, join my journey, and hit the bell for notifications. Peace out, love you.